Alright, so we're going to combine multiple transformations, and it's important to remember to do your translations first. So those are going to happen. The last thing you want to do are your reflections or your flips. So if we think about this, you first have to recognize that it's going to be the quadratic or your parabola graph. So we're going to find the new origin that's been translated or shifted up 4. So that's my new 0, 0 basically. Because there's no horizontal translations, I'm good. That's my new vertex. We've got a reflection across the x-axis, so that's going to flip it upside down. And then we have a vertical compression, so we're going to go down 1/2 over 1. So it's going to be hard to see on here. But that's exactly what happened. That's kind of a bad sketch, I apologize. But that's how you're going to go through and do this. Up 4, we're going to flip it over the x, which the x-axis has now been shifted up 4, so we flip it upside down. And then the compression means I'm going to go down 1/2 over 1. Then we've got our absolute value graph. So we're going to take care of our translations first. We're going to go over, back 3 because we flip our signs, up 1. That's my new vertex, think of it that way. Then I've got to be careful because I'm going to flip it over the y-axis. So we're going to go in this direction. And then I'm also going to flip it upside down. So then those would be my first 2 points. There we have our graph. So be careful that you do your translations before your reflections.